Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your headphones Beat Studio Pro. To enable or disable this mod, we need to enter to the developer options. So if you don't know how to enable developer options on your phone, you can check video at this channel, we have it just for your device. After you enable it, you can go to the settings, then to the system, so scroll down, system, and right here at Listen Stock Android, the bottom we have developer options. Right here we have it, click at this line, then you can scroll down and find HD audio or click at the search and write HD right here, here it is, what located in the developer options, so tap at this line. Now, to enable it, we need to tap on time at the slider near to it if the slider have a colorful background. Once you enable it, you will use SBC codec by default. To enable it, you need to tap on time also at the slider, but if the slider have empty background. And now we can use AC codec also. Also, after you enable HD audio, you can swap between these two codecs. And you cannot enable or disable it on your Apple device because there is no developer options. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!